Welcome back. Today, we're creating round logos using a simple grid technique in Adobe Illustrator. It's an easy and fun way to design unique logos, so let's get started. First, open Illustrator and create a new artboard. Select the Line tool from the left sidebar and start by drawing a straight line. Make sure the fill color is set to none. Only the stroke should be active. Once the line is drawn, click on it, hold the Alt key, and drag your mouse to create a copy right in front. Keep the spacing between the lines consistent, but not too wide. Now, to save time, press Ctrl-D repeatedly to duplicate the line 10 to 20 times, creating a series of parallel lines. Next, copy all the lines by pressing Ctrl-C and paste them in place using Ctrl-F. This time, reflect the lines to make them vertical. This will give you a grid of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines. Now, let's add some circles to frame the grid. Use the Ellipse tool to draw a large circle and then duplicate it to make a smaller one inside. These circles will act as boundaries for your design. With that, your grid is complete, and we're ready to start creating logos. For this example, I'll make 6 logo variations. Select the Paint Bucket tool and start filling the boxes inside the grid to form letters or shapes. Make sure the fill color matches your design, black or any color that contrasts well with the outlines. You can create logos with 2 or 3 letters, depending on your preference. For a clean look, I recommend leaving 2 boxes of space between the letters, but feel free to experiment and get creative. For example, you could design a round logo with your initials or even a word mark. Once you've filled the boxes to form your design, select all the shapes, remove the outlines, and go to the Object menu to select Expand. This will turn your filled shapes into solid paths. Then, use the Unite function in the Pathfinder tool to combine the shapes into one seamless logo. To finish it off, add a background color and change the logo's color to white or another shade that pops. For an extra touch, you can include the logo name at the top, bottom, or wherever it looks best in your design. And that's it. Your round logo is ready to go. This method is simple, fun, and opens up so many creative possibilities. You can use it to design logos for yourself, your brand, or even clients. Enjoy experimenting, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.